Ever wondered if your business banking is actually working for you? I mean, we all know it's essential, right? Keeping track of income, expenses, paying bills, the whole 9 yards. But what if it could be doing more? What if it could be earning you money, even while it's just sitting there? That's the question we're tackling today. Does NorthOne offer interest on account balances? Think about it. You work hard for every dollar your business earns. It feels good to see that balance grow, but inflation is a constant reality. Every day, the value of that money slowly erodes. So, ideally, you want your money working for you, generating some kind of return. This is where the concept of interest comes in. Now, traditionally, interest is something we associate more with savings accounts or investments. You deposit your money, and the bank or financial institution pays you a small percentage back over time. It's like a tiny reward for letting them use your money. It's a powerful tool for growing wealth over the long term. But what about business checking accounts? These are usually designed for day-to-day transactions, not necessarily for long-term savings. So, the question of interest on business checking accounts is a bit more nuanced. Some banks offer it, some don't, and the terms and conditions can vary wildly. This brings us to NorthOne. NorthOne is a digital banking platform specifically designed for small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. They offer a range of features aimed at simplifying business finances, from expense tracking to invoicing and more. But does that include earning interest on your account balance? Before we dive into the specifics of NorthOne, let's understand why earning interest on your business checking account, if offered, can be beneficial. Firstly, as we mentioned earlier, it helps offset the effects of inflation. Even a small interest rate can help preserve the purchasing power of your money over time. Secondly, it's essentially free money. You're not doing anything extra, you're simply keeping your money in the account, and it generates a small return. This can add up over time, especially for businesses with larger balances. Thirdly, it can provide a small but steady stream of passive income. While it might not be enough to retire on, it can contribute to your overall financial health and provide a bit of a cushion for unexpected expenses. So, circling back to our main question, does NorthOne offer interest on account balances? The short answer is no, NorthOne does not currently offer interest on their business checking accounts. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, well, that's disappointing. I'm clicking off. But hold on a second. Before you do, it's crucial to consider the bigger picture. Just because NorthOne doesn't offer interest doesn't automatically make it a bad choice. There are other factors to consider. For example, NorthOne focuses heavily on providing a streamlined and user-friendly banking experience. They offer features like envelope budgeting, which helps you allocate funds for specific expenses, making it easier to manage your cash flow. They also integrate with popular accounting software, saving you time and effort on bookkeeping. Furthermore, NorthOne is known for its transparent pricing. They have a simple monthly fee, and there are no hidden charges or transaction limits. This predictability can be a significant advantage for small businesses trying to manage their finances effectively. In addition, it's worth noting that the interest rates offered by banks on business checking accounts, when offered, are often very low. In many cases, the amount of interest earned might be negligible, especially for smaller businesses. So, while earning interest is certainly a nice perk, it shouldn't be the sole deciding factor when choosing a business banking platform. It's essential to weigh the potential benefits of interest against other factors like fees, features, and overall user experience. Think of it this way, would you choose a bank solely because it offers a 0.01% interest rate, even if it has terrible customer service, clunky online banking, and hidden fees? Probably not. NorthOne has positioned itself as a platform that prioritizes simplicity, transparency, and tools designed to help small businesses thrive. They focus on providing value through their features and user experience, rather than through offering interest on balances. It's also important to remember that the financial landscape is constantly evolving. What's true today might not be true tomorrow. NorthOne, like any other financial institution, could change its offerings in the future. They might introduce interest-bearing accounts or other financial products down the line. Therefore, it's always a good idea to stay informed and keep an eye on any updates or announcements from NorthOne. You can visit their website, subscribe to their newsletter, or follow them on social media to stay up to date on their latest offerings. So, to recap, does NorthOne offer interest on account balances currently? No. However, is that the only factor you should consider when choosing a business banking platform? Absolutely not. NorthOne provides a robust suite of tools and features designed to simplify business banking. They focus on providing value through their user experience, transparent pricing, and features like envelope budgeting and integrations with accounting software. While the absence of interest might be a drawback for some, it's essential to weigh it against the other benefits that NorthOne offers. Ultimately, the best business banking platform for you will depend on your specific needs and priorities. If earning interest is a top priority, then NorthOne might not be the right fit. However, if you're looking for a user-friendly, feature-rich platform that simplifies your business finances, then NorthOne is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.